Elevate your space, simple DIY home improvement projects for a better living. Hello, I'm Ujjwal. Welcome to day 18 of our 100-day challenge, Better Way to Live Life. Today, we dive into DIY home improvement. We'll start by transforming a simple room with creative decor ideas. Imagine the difference a handmade wall art can make. Next, tackle clutter with practical organization solutions. Think of easily crafted shelves that not only save space but add character. Ever considered the impact of lighting? We'll show how to create ambient light fixtures that set the perfect mood. For those who love greenery, we'll introduce easy-to-maintain indoor plants in homemade pots, bringing life to every corner. Don't worry about tools and materials. We focus on using what you already have, making this journey accessible and budget-friendly. Join me in reimagining our spaces. Together, we'll make our homes more than just a place to live, they'll be a reflection of us.